Top story for today. Blessed, blessed, blessed. Starseed here once again. Big up yourself. So what I say? Yeah, all of my fans and people are yardy mix up. Yeah, man. So I'm going to jump right into the topic. See? Alright. Here we go on now. I'm going to show you a thing. Me say, woman, stop run down some man. And man, stop run down some woman. Because and everything you see glitter gold. Remember me tell you that. And everything you see glitter a gold. Here we go on now. See, you have some girl who say them love you. And you run and give them your heart. Or woman who say you love a man. And can give the man them on a heart. I wanna do. Careful what you're doing. Be very careful. Let me tell you something. Saying, me remember one time, me wanna date this woman. Saying, alright, me couldn't go no way with her. My relationship with her are private, not public. Because if me go anywhere with her public, everybody know her. Everybody know her. Remember me tell you that. I don't know, no joke thing. Big and serious. Yo, remember me tell you, you don't want to feel embarrassed. You don't want to feel embarrassed. Hear me now? Check on yourself. Look into yourself. Don't you feel so you can do better than that? Of course. Absolutely. You see what I say? Yeah. So there's sometimes you have to just think on yourself and just love some people. You understand? Love some people. Because some people, you feel say with you, them not with you. You understand what I say? I set them, I set you up. You understand what I say? Ladies, gentlemen, be careful. Be very, very careful. People nowadays, I tell you, man. I say, remember, I tell you, say, them not easy. Very dangerous. Very, very dangerous. Bang, bang. You think a joke me I make? You see what I say? And I don't understand now how this world I run. Because you know I run off of love again and money. You never hear them say, no money, no love, honey. I saw the thing set up. So the thing set up. So here we go on. You are your woman. If you don't have money, you not get nothing. If nothing not go on for she, nothing not go on for you. I saw the thing set up. You understand what I say? Vice versa. Remember me tell you that. Big up on yourself again a Starseed once a year. You understand? We're just tuning in on some topic and just make it flow. Blessed and big up yourself.